Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, March 10th, 2025. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make money with minimal effort. Okay, if you've never seen any of my videos before, my name's Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and I'm very passionate about helping people create mailbox money. So basically what I just share what I do with everyone, and then those that want to take action and show up every day, those are the ones who get results following what I'm doing, what I teach, okay? So I'm actually out running some errands right now. I'm headed to the bank to deposit 2 mailbox money checks that came in this week. And then I'm headed off to the post office to mail off, well, I'll show you right here. I got stacks of these, but this is one stack of the letters that I send out, okay? So you're just gonna have to bear with me here for a moment while I go through the drive-through here at the bank, but it shouldn't take more than a minute. They're pretty fast here, and then we'll get this video underway. So bear with me one moment. Hi, how are you today? Good. I just like to deposit those, please. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Be right back.
All right, thanks. So it's really nice out today. It's 47 degrees out. The sun was out today. It's just a beautiful day. Spring is near, and it's a good start to the new week. I hope you're having a great day. I'll be with you in just a moment. Don't go anywhere. You can leave me down in the comments what your goals are for this week and what you're doing to make positive changes in your life. Let me know. Thanks. Have a great day. Thank you. All right. Our next stop is the post office. Trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. All right. So the first thing you want to do in order to make money with minimal effort is you want to find an income stream. All right, a product or service in a niche that you are passionate about. All right, so for the purposes of my videos, I'm in the make money online niche, and so all my examples are based on that because that's what I do. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to find something you're passionate about, something that has an affiliate product or service that you can offer so that each time you refer somebody or make a sale, you're going to get a commission. All right, that's how this works. And you can do, you know, there's lots of different programs. There's direct mail programs, there's affiliate programs, there's subscription model based programs. There's all kinds of different programs. You just have to search and look, and I got a whole bunch of programs over on my website, which I'll put a link below this video so that you can check out. But that's step number 1. Then step number 2 is you want to set up and automate your whatever it is that you're sharing with other people, right? So you want to have done for you systems in place that have follow-up emails that go out on your behalf. So whenever somebody goes and requests more information, they're going to be taken to a sales page that does all the selling and telling for you. And then they're going to send out emails on your behalf that do follow-ups, right? Because most people, it takes a dozen or so times of them seeing the actual product or service that you're offering before they make a purchase. All right, so very rarely does somebody just jump on the sales page and purchase, all right? So that's why you want those email follow-ups in place. You want everything in place for you. And if you go to joinruss.com, all right, you'll see that whenever you click on a link on this page, it has its own system in place. You request more information, you're going to be taken to a sales page. and then you enter your name and email, and then that system is going to follow up on my behalf with you about the opportunity that you requested more information about. Okay, so it's super important. You want all this stuff automated so you do minimal amount of work. Minimal amount of effort is required on your part in order to make sales. In fact, I have this set up, and if you follow what I do, you can even make money in your sleep, because these systems that you automate work on your behalf 24/7 around the clock. All right, they don't take days off. It doesn't matter if it's a holiday, your birthday, it doesn't matter. When these systems are in place and set up correctly, they will be working for you 24/7. And that is what you want, okay? So the next thing you want to do is you want to drive traffic. All right, that's the most important thing. You want to get traffic over to your system. And the way that I drive traffic is through the letters that I send out in the mail, and I use social media. All right, I focus on Facebook and YouTube. Those are my social media platforms that I focus on, and I don't focus on any other social media platforms. And the reason being is because Facebook and YouTube are the second and third most visited website in the world after Google. Okay, so you have over 5 billion active users each month on Facebook and YouTube combined. All right, you don't need any more places. You have all the leads, all the people that you need to share this opportunity with on these two platforms, okay? And then I have some direct mail opportunities where each month you get leads. That's the product. When you join, you're going to get leads. They're opportunity seekers and buyers, people who are looking for ways to make money online, and or people who have purchased in the past. And I send out my letters to these people, okay? And it's just a perfect system. It works very well. And if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, you will get results, okay? I can't guarantee you're going to get any results because I don't know your work ethic. But the people, like I said, who join me and follow exactly what I do and stay consistent each day, they get results like I do, okay? Because it just flat out works. There's no, it just works. If you work it, it works. All right? If you treat it like a business, you get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you get hobby pay. And if you treat it like most people do and take zero action, you're going to get zero results. But that's just how it works, okay? And then what you want to do, when you start making sales, you want to scale up your business. And you can even add more income streams if that's what you choose to do. So what I do is when I start making commission sales, I will take some of that money, put it back into my business. So say, for example, you can only afford to mail out 100 letters a month. Well, when you start making sales, you take some of those commissions, put it into your direct mail, and now you're mailing out 200 letters a month. All right. And then when you start making commissions from that, you double it. Now you're mailing out 400 letters a month, and you continue to do that, and you continue to scale that. And that is how you go and you make more money. Since I've started mailing out these letters, I've tripled my income just by adding direct mail as a marketing method. Okay. And it works out perfect. And like I said, if you go to joinruss.com, all right, check out these opportunities that I'm a part of. You can join. They're all less than $50 to start. And you can have your own work from home business where you can make, there's no cap on the amount of money you can make. It's totally dependent on your work ethic, okay? So that is what you do. That is how I recommend you go about making money online without minimal effort. And it just flat out works if you work it. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.